successful souls, this is Jen Lillian helping online spiritual coaches with their online spiritual coaching business to supercharge their results in the next 90 days or less to success. Now, when I first started my ClickFunnels journey back in 2013, I went straight to YouTube and asked, how do I delete a funnel that I've created? Well, for the life of me, I couldn't find the answer, but I've obviously realised after all these years how to do it. So what you need to do is go onto your ClickFunnels account and click under the funnel section of your ClickFunnels account. And here you'll have a complete list of all your funnels. So what you need to do, let's say I wanted to delete this one, I would come over and you archive. You don't delete, you archive, which is not a bad thing, because if you wanted to maybe go back to an old funnel, it will be there in an archive folder. So you archive the funnel. Are you sure I want to do that? Yes, I do. Press OK. And then it will appear in your archived folder. So if I was to go to archived, and there we are, copy of registration for Soul Central Summit, which is the event I have on Friday. You can see I've done it a couple of times, to be fair, for various reasons. But yeah, that's basically how you delete a funnel on ClickFunnels. If you've got any questions, please let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Many thanks for watching this video. If you're a coach, healer, therapist or practitioner and would like to supercharge your online coaching business, then feel free to hit the link below in the description box where you can receive the successful 6-figure soul roadmap and training. It walks you through step by step on how to start, build and grow your online coaching business to success. See you in the next video.